awarding ceremony, starting with 10,
9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, congratulations.
Congratulations!
Okay, balik na tayo for the picture taking.
Kainan na.
So, balik na tayo for the picture taking dito.
Congratulations.
Pasok na po tayo.
Happy birthday, Sir Tom! Happy birthday, Sir Tom!
Greet tayo kay Sir Tom.
Happy
Mamaya nandito si Sir Tom.
Hi!
Pasalamat tayo, may office na tayo dito sa Dubai. Oh.
Yes! Finally! The office already, we have office in Dubai. Happy birthday, Sir Tom! Happy birthday, Sir Tom!
Peso Company. So, nung nag-start po kami dito, ako 2016, 500,000 lang po, no? Ang ating, yung shares ng company. But right now, 2B Peso Company na po tayo. And more than, hindi to updated, actually we are already more than 700 millionaires and multi-millionaires that we already created in the Philippines. Palakpakan nyo naman yan. So dito po sa Dubai, isa pa lang po ang ating milyonaryo. So sino ang next? Who's next? So let's see. Okay? Sino yung malalagay dito sa mga wall natin dito yung mga pagmumukha? Okay? Yan. Na-comply na po natin lahat yung kanilang requirements and now officially na po, no? Registered na po lahat yung products natin sa Ministry of Health. For Marketing and Development. Okay? Ma'am, Miss Marie Aranilia.
Thank you. Okay ka lang? Kailangan talagang, pagka pupunta daw po kayo dito, kailangan may tissue kayo. Anyway, good evening. Hindi pala good evening. Good morning. Good morning?
Good morning!
Anong oras ba sa Pilipinas ngayon? O, tama-tama. Alas 12, di ba? Kaya good morning ngayon. Anyway, I'm so excited to be here. Sobrang excited to be part of iFern history. This is the first outside the country company-owned, okay, na office po ni iFern. And we saw the potential here in Dubai because of our one and only SPD, Ms. Telma Vargas. Let's give her a round of applause. Okay? Anyway, for those of you, hindi ko kasi alam kung marami ng member dito or marami pong mga guests na hindi nakakakilala sa akin. I'm Marie Aranilia. I'm the EVP for Network Operations. And representative po ako ni Sir Tom. We will show you his video. May surprise video po siya later. The reason why, kung napansin niyo po, Mari, bakit nag-open kayo? Parang may mga pintura-pintura pa dapat natapusin. Because, since this is part of iFern history, itinaon po natin na birthday ni Sir Tom. Today is Sir Tom's birthday. Hindi na, sa Pilipinas, hindi na pala kasi 13 na ngayon, di ba? So ngayon is 12 pa lang dito, so it's his birthday. And yun po kasi yung dream niya. Isa po sa pangarap niya talaga, aside from creating millionaires, is to offer or to give businesses or yung mga pangkabuhayan sa mga OFWs. Mga bayani.
Alright, meron tayong unang pay-in sa Dubai. Sir, ano pa kami, sir? Junal. Yan, grabe.
Free t-shirt!
Wow.